Good morning. Today our lesson is on the indefinite use of the personal pronouns it, they, and you. As we have spoken about before, personal pronouns should always have a definite, nearby antecedent to which they refer. The words they, it, and you pose specific issues. Let's look at some examples here. They say that it will rain today. Well, people may say this type of thing, but who is they? Okay? Especially in your writing, you need to be specific. The meteorologist says that it will rain today. The weatherman says that it will rain today. Whoever, but you need to be specific. They without an antecedent doesn't work. Next slide. Now one for it. In the Bible, it states that to go to heaven, one must be born again. Okay, well, who is stating it in the Bible? Okay. This really, not only is it unclear, but the word it here is completely unnecessary. You're using more words than you need to. To me, the easiest way to fix this is just to take away the word in and the word it and just say, the Bible states that to go to heaven, one must be born again. You could say, if there's a specific person that you're referring to in the Bible, you could say that as well. You could say, in the Bible, Jesus states that to go to heaven, one must be born again. But the easiest way is just to say the Bible states that, etc. Okay? And the final problem pronoun here is the word you. All right? Often in our speaking and sometimes in our writing, we might say, you can learn this lesson from, or you can hear better through these earphones than through my earbuds or whatever. But who is you? Okay, unless we're giving very specific directions as to how to do something, you is not okay. All right. And an example of when it would be okay is maybe if you put it on a job application. When you are done filling out this page, please present it with your license or whatever. But in general, saying you in writing is not okay unless you has a very clear antecedent nearby. Instead of saying you can learn about faith from the story of Abraham and Isaac, it would be much better to say one can learn about faith from the story of Abraham and Isaac, or a person can learn about faith from the story of Abraham and Isaac. Of course, one is more formal. A person is less formal. But in general, either one would be okay. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Look for specific instructions on the LMS page as to how many are correct and not for today's exercises.